Hi, Andrew. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Tanner and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Performance Wraps homepage. And so I do like the way that your website looks. I can tell that you spent some time and or some money into this. It is very easy to navigate, very user friendly, but as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 563 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality, educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So, Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword here is car wrap Cincinnati. This keyword brings in over 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar is where we will typically see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me right now, but Google Ads can be a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to take advantage of when the market is hot or when you want to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath where the ads would typically be, now at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. In order to make it into one of these 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, Yext, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Also be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local auto body shop with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It does cost me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So here I typed in the first competitor that popped up for that keyword, car wrap Cincinnati, and I can see that they have 1,100 backlinks from 284 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 1,152 keywords. Over here, we can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here we'll list all the keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, what percent of their traffic comes from that keyword, and how many people search for that keyword every month. Now you can go through these, select the best ones, and incorporate them into your content. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the keywords with the backlinks. And so it's telling me that they have around 1,100 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. Click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now you have 183 backlinks from 61 domains, and you are ranking organically for 30 keywords. So let's take a look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you are ranking for them. So as you can see, you are ranking pretty well for car wrap Dayton, Ohio, actually number 1, performance wraps with your own name. And so it does seem like you're ranking decently well for a couple keywords here. You're also around the bottom to the middle of the first page or anywhere from the second page to the 8th page. But I think you could get raised in the ranks for more of the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan. Which, to recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to take a look back at your overview, I can see right now you currently bring in 101 people to your site every month. If I go to the competitor, they have 567. And so if they were to close 25% of those clicks into customers, that'd be 141 new customers every month. Multiply that by the cost of an average car wrap at $2,500. That's $352,000 per month. Add in a 60% profit margin, and they're at $211,500 per month. Now, they probably don't accept all those jobs, but that does give you a pretty good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it is ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.